Today on Quick Camz, a tense stop with an uncooperative truck driver leads to an unexpected discovery. Case details at the end.
What's going on, big man? How you doing? We're not coming in there. You alright? We don't want to lock you up. We just want to make sure you're okay. We're not taking you to jail. None of that stuff. So do me a favor. Could you just let us know for our safety that you don't have anything in that other hand over there? Can you show me? Just so we feel safe. Please. You put somebody in and then roll. Well, no one's saying anything was knocked out. Calm down. Hey, come on. Please, don't do that. Let off that. Put the truck off. Put the truck on our guy. I know you don't want to hurt anybody, but we don't want you to hurt yourself, bud. Cut the truck off. Don't be. Well, now you got a whole bunch of flat tires. Okay, well, don't do that. We're telling you to cut the truck off. Come out and talk. Yes. I want to talk about why you just drove over and flattened all the tires on the truck. Hey. Talk to me for a second, okay? We're not doing nothing. Please don't move. We're not. Please, Terry. Who said that? You have diabetes? Who said that? I said. What are you reaching for? Okay, all right. No, I'm good. I have my own water. Well, your truck's leaking fluids everywhere. It's leaking. No, stop. Stop. Don't do that. Nobody's trying to poison. No. I will feed you. I will get you cleaned up, clothes, whatever you need. Hey! Stop! 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 Because you're tearing up! Stop! Stop! They're gonna put a smoke bomb in there, telling you. They're gonna spray you. Now, told you bad stuff's about to happen. Go!
Stops, we're going to spray him or gas him.
Now. Stop the truck now! Stop the truck and cut it off! Cut it off! You're going to get it again! Stop! Stop the truck, Terry! Get out of the truck! Taser! 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 Get out of the truck! Stop! Cut the truck off!
A-Hook, get out! A-Hook, get out!
Cut the truck! Stop the truck! Stop! Hey! There's a dead body in here! Get out of the truck! Get out of the truck now! There's a body in here! Start EMS! What's up there? There's a body in here! Start EMS!
You got it! Calm down! They're coming in.
Ma'am, are you okay? Ma'am! Ma'am, are you okay? Let's get her out.
Ma'am!
Guys,
Ma'am!
She's stuck.
get him off. Get him in a recovery.
She's priority 4. She's priority.
She's P4, buddy, P4.
She's rigor mortis. She's dead.
She's dead.
Put on his ass. Put on his ass. One. Multiple stab wounds.
Sit down! Sit down!
All right.
Sit down! Don't move!
Please help me. What hurts on you?
Here are the case details as promised. The truck driver's name was Matthew Sidney Watley. He was aged 46 years old. The victim's name was Candace Thompson, aged 46. Both from Stricklerville, New Jersey. Matthew was sentenced with second-degree murder and 40 years in prison. Comment below if you think 40 years is enough for this guy.